Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload research papers and studies and academic texts for context to your conversations on Consensus AI, for example, to give Consensus AI additional information for context. So let us guide you through this. So if you'd like to do this, guys, navigate to your account on Consensus AI, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you upload an academic text directly into the given thread or conversation and, for example, post it as a follow-up question for context. So what you want to do is navigate either to your account history or conversation history and pick a chat or thread from there, or you go through the recents lists here. I will go with this request here, for example. So what you want to do, guys, is click into that plus button in the bottom left corner of the given conversation or text field here. But before you post your follow-up question within the given request, make sure that you select upload papers from that menu, and after that upload the academic text, for example, in TXT file format or Word or PDF from your device. And then you may post your question that may be related, for example, to the attachment, and post the request. The other option, guys, would be to navigate to your library here on the left hand side, and from there click into items, and you can upload, for example, one of your or several of your research papers and studies and academic text to your library here and use it for context, for example, as you can see here, so that they may be used, for example, in your conversation. So it works the same way. Click into upload here, then navigate to the file on your device and the given file format, and that's how it works. And you may also add it to a collection, for example, to organize them on a specific topic or cluster, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.